Moving on to some other stories, BJP's Vetrivel Yatra in Tamil Nadu has added to its strain and ties with ally AIADMK. Despite the state government refusing to give permission for the statewide procession, the BJP gathered in huge numbers in Chennai and went ahead with the Yatra. When the state police tried to stop the procession, BJP leaders created ruckus and then ended up breaking barricades. BJP leader H. Raja said if AIADMK halts the procession, the Yatra will turn into an agitation. Slamming ally AIADMK, BJP said that schools are allowed to reopen in the state, but the government is denying them permission to carry out this Yatra. Remember that the APS government put it on record yesterday that they are not issuing permission for this entire tour in view of the COVID-19 restrictions. The opposition parties had also demanded that the AIADMK government ban this Yatra. BJP's Vetrivel Yatra is scheduled to start today and was to conclude on December 6th. BJP will cover all 6 abodes of Lord Murugan by traversing from Tiruteni to Tiruchendur. The Vel Yatra is seen as an attempt by BJP to consolidate Hindu votes in the state.
How do we see this? Is this a show of strength of the BJP?
Yeah, we are growing. We are going. So this is the strength of our BJP. We are growing in the state. That's why we took this Yatra also. We will proceed our Yatra.
Sir, during this COVID time to do this Yatra?
During the COVID time, we accept that we are following the norms. See, already the Supreme Court also denied the Bihar election is going. Tamil Nadu also, all places opening, all places opened, all colleges open, all Tasmar stop open, temples open. So temple opened. So I want to go to Darshan. It is my fundamental right. So Article 25 is guarantee my right. Article 25 guarantees my right to worship without any fear. So that's why I'm proceeding to worship my God, Lord Muruga.
So now police are detaining you. How do you see this, sir?
The police is not detained. We are proceeding. I'm seeing what is going to. We'll see.
When children can go to school, play, touch each other, when state government is thinking on those lines, their argument that because of the second wave of corona, this yatra is not allowed, is not valid. I don't think that there is any valid reason in preventing this yatra. Anyhow, if it is allowed, it will be yatra. If it is not allowed, it will be agitation. But the message would certainly reach the people. BJP is a growing force. And we will be proving it during the yatra or agitation.
Going ahead with it, how do we have to see this, sir? Are you trying to break the rule here?
Lord Murugan has given the permission. We are going. Yatra will taking place as usually.
And sir, is this an opposition? Is it a protest, or is this a yatra?
This is yatra.
This is yatra.
Yeah.
And sir, finally, what is this yatra aimed at for, sir? Is it against the kind of situation here, or is it a political strategy?
No strategy. We are all faith of our Lord Murugan. That is our customs. We are taking place yatra.
Do you think these opposition parties in the state are afraid of the BJP strength that they're trying to stop this yatra?
Who will be able to stop? We are ready to face any consequences. We are going. God blessed us. We are taking the place yatra as usual.
Akshay Nath is joining us live also with the latest updates on the story. Akshaya, have the cops been successful in stopping this yatra, or are BJP leaders going ahead?
Well, Akshita, what we have seen in the earlier stages of the yatra was that the police officials were saying that they will block them when they are entering Tiruvallur district, which is the neighbouring district to Chennai. And immediately, same as the police officials had said, once they were to enter Tiruvallur, the procession was stopped, the yatra's team were stopped. There were around 100 BJP cars. In front of it was the big car where Murugan, C.T. Ravi, H. Raja, all of them were sitting in with the veil which they were taking for the yatra. And what we had seen is that police had barricaded the entire vicinity. But we saw that the BJP workers, they came forward, moved away the barricades, and the main vehicle which had Murugan, C.T. Ravi, H. Raja and the other senior leaders, it went ahead. So right now we're seeing that multiple checkpoints have been created by the police officials. And in 2 checkpoints already most of the BJP members and the media have been stopped. And we are right now between the second and the third checkpost. And already here again time we've seen that the procession of the BJP, which was the first vehicle which had the Vel Vetri Yatra movement, that has gone ahead even now. So we're seeing that the police officials are also finding it difficult to stop the moving vehicles. And, already the state government has said that Section 144 is in place, and that is one of the reasons why the permission was not given. Secondly, a second wave of COVID-19 is feared about, and hence it is safer to not have yatras like this, that were month-long yatras, which can be, points where COVID-19 pandemic can start spreading.
Right.
So at this point of time, we're seeing that the BJP is saying that they will go ahead with the yatra and that it is their democratic right to go and worship their Lord Muruga. And we saw that even in the beginning of the yatra, C.T. Ravi as well as L. Murugan had very clearly stated that we have seen that multiple things in the state of Tamil Nadu are open. In fact, TASMAC is also open. In fact, L. Murugan also added that the Bihar election is underway. So if there is a law and order situation, if there is a fear of COVID-19, how are these things happening? This is intentional act that this is being stopped is what they said, and they will go ahead. So at the moment, Akshita, the procession is still going forward. There are multiple points where the police have stopped these people, but we'll have to wait and watch. Will they reach till the main place where they're starting the protest?
Okay, Akshay, we'll be tracking the latest and keep coming to you for those updates. Thank you for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.